Hey guys, welcome back. I cannot wait to unbox the new Shimmerz Paints February 2026 kits. Now I have the paper kits, I've got the color kits, and the bonus bundle. So I've got lots to share with you. What do I want to do first? What do I want to do? I know what I'll do. Okay. I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you the color kits first, then I'll get them all swatched out, and then we'll be able to look at them side by side with the rest of the goodies. That might be fun. So let's start here. The first piece I have, let's see, it's a colorings in a bright fuchsia. Now, try not to shake up your paints, like shake, shake, shake. Try to roll them so that you don't get the pigment up into the, the little hose that goes to the nozzle, just so you don't have to clean it out. It's no big deal if you have to, but that means you have to take a break in your crafting, which we don't want to do. Excuse me. All right, so I'm getting that all mixed up, and that will be fun to play with. So this is a bright fuchsia. It's a colorings. I'm anticipating really great color payoff. The next thing I have, it's a Vibes and Glorious Day, and I have used up my previous Glorious Day because, quite frankly, it is glorious. It is this gorgeous, like sunshiny, happy yellow. So I have that. So these guys are ready to go. Liquid is clearly in them, and you just get to spritz away. You can also use them as a watercolor, meaning I put a nice amount down on a palette and I just dip into it. It depends what I'm doing. The next goodie we have, it is a Shimmerz. So the liquid's in there, but the formula is different. It's a lot thicker. And I have found with these that when I do splatters with them, I can actually get like dimension out of it, which I love. So this one's called Mint Condition. And the Shimmerz, okay, so it's going to be this color. This is the paint, not mixed yet. Let me dip my paintbrush in just a little water because I don't want to take lots and lots out. But look at that. It is pearly and gorgeous and all things minty. It is a stunning, stunning, stunning color. You know what I'm going to do since I have it right here? Since I have it on my little palette, I'm going to go ahead and just have this be my first one that I swatch because I don't want to waste it, just by cleaning my brush. So I have that. Great. So let's put, if I had the cap, you guys saw what I did. Okay. And go ahead and just recap these, liquid, wet, good to go. Perfect. Now, the next two colors I have an Inklings in Pistachio. Now, these come in these great little pans, and use it exactly like you would think with a watercolor, okay? Super gorgeous. I cannot wait. You guys, I have this little, I'm going to put them in here for now. I've got this little lid, and I'm going to pop them all in. What I do with mine, I'll show you with one that I already have. I just go ahead and use a Sharpie and write on the bottom of them. All right, so we have that. I will go ahead and give it a nice little squirt after I label it. It'll be ready when I am. The next one, we have an Inklings in Chocolate and Diamonds. So look at that. It's this glorious, pretty much of a cool brown. So I like that. Mason is very upset about nothing. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you really quickly because I'm going to need to swatch it. It's the bonus bundle. So with the bonus bundle, you get a sequins mix, and you guys, they're always spot on. Love them. There's these bits and pieces in here. So do you see, like, there's a little floral piece, so cute. And there's squares and iridescent things and round things. So a little bit of gold. That looks like Glorious Day. So super pretty. Love my sequins mixes, and I always try to use them up. And then to go with that, the mixed media product to go with it, this is a Shimmerz as well, and it's called On the Brink of Pink. Let me see if I've got my brush cleaned out from when I used my Mint Condition. So that's what we're looking at for a stunning color. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it just because I have it out. And that way you can get a good look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. And I always end up putting my bonus bundle down in this corner just to separate it out for myself. that I know something was a bonus bundle and something was in the color kit. You guys, look at that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and label everything and swatch the rest of the goodies, and I'll meet you right back. Okay, so look at these colors swatched. Now, everything is drying down. I mean, Glorious Day has got the best, like, shimmery shine, like just in your face gold. A Bright Fuchsia is the last one I did. It's very, very wet, but you can see the massive color payoff. So we've got just this gorgeous sheen on all of my little pretties, and I cannot wait to play with them. I have no plan, cannot wait. So now let's get into the kits. Now, I told you these were in the bonus bundle, along with On the Brink of Pink. So I'll put them aside, so pretty. And then we've got our paper kit. So what I'm gonna do is put all the goodies, all of our like little embellishment things, off to the side for a little bit. And I wanna start getting into the paper. So you can clearly see the first one, which is a diagonal stripe. And I absolutely adore, string, a diagonal stripe. I already can tell you, I hope, without looking on the other side, that I will be matting a layout with it because it's my favorite for matting layouts. So you can see that we've got this great mint condition on here. We've got Glorious Day. We've got our 2 tones of our pinks. It is spot on. It's great. And then the flip side is such a usable, you know, crisp white background with a nice pink that looks totally like On the Brink of Pink. Cute, cute, cute. I'm trying to watch this a little bit because this A Bright Fuchsia is super wet. So I've got that. Our next one, oh cute. Our next one, we've got a nice minty border, and we've got the cutest little envelope of hearts. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Makes me want to get my heart punches out. Okay, maybe I will. And the flip side has the 2 shades of pink. We've got some of the minty green vibe going on. So cute with wonky hearts everywhere. I'll have that side out. Oh, adorable. All right, so we have repeating sweet little cupcakes. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at this nice little strawberry one. Yum. And this brings in some of the chocolate, like the chocolate and diamonds color. Like how they did that. Oh, and the flip side is such a usable paper. It has pattern, but it's still calm enough to, you know, do the background, do whatever. I mean, I put crazy papers on the background, but you know, it's fab. Really great golden tone. Now we have got a diagonal plaid, maybe, with hearts in the center, and they're super cute. Oh, wow. Okay, so this looks like a Bright Fuchsia. I love text. I love, love, love text. I cannot wait to use this. Just repeating the word love, handwritten over and over. Now we've got some old school, like, I mean, they're squiggles, but they look like old school telephone lines to me. So cute. I like that it's repeating. Gives me ideas. Oh, how cute. And the flip side are repeating conversation hearts on a pale pink background. Cute. And next, I have got a nice minty floral repeating design. Love that I'm seeing this diagonal. It's exquisite. Love this tone. Oh, wow. Oh, darn it. Oh, what am I going to do? Okay. But then this one, it's already bordered for you. It is so well done. And we even have a little bit of the Glorious Day kind of vibe on here. That's the kind of paper that you gut the white part so you can use both. All right, we've got a nice chevron, a Glorious Day kind of chevron. Great. I like that tone on tone. Ooh, but then this looks like On the Brink of Pink, and we've just got some little wavelengths going through it. Now, for fun, though, oh, I didn't get my finger in it. I'm going to go like that so that we have a nice differentiation. Oh, how cute. My youngest daughter likes to make chocolate-covered strawberries, and it totally reminds me of her. Love that they brought in the chocolatey tone. Oh, but they're so cute. The flip side, we've got more of that I don't know, it's like we've got our pistachio and mint condition colors and these gorgeous florally rose pieces. I like that. And then we've got a little sweet, you know, like little tiny flowers in the two pinks. We've got a little bit of mint color. And then the back side, we have what? 1, 2, 3. 3 tones of pink. Interesting. Okay, next. Our dots this month, we've got one that says Kiss Me. We've got XOXO and then little conversation hearts. Stop it, those are cute. Now the dots they have a really nice amount of shine on them. They're epoxy, right? Which I love because it gives me a different texture on my page. They come on a little foamy adhesive dot that you can take off and use for something else if you don't need it, or you can leave it on there if you're looking for lots of dimension. Then, oh, let me show you this. Okay, so we get this coloring sheet, which is one of my favorite things about these kits because I just sit down, I'm going to be watching my like goofy Netflix series. And right now I'm watching Love is Blind, Italy, because that seems normal. Anyway, I'm just going to sit down and paint them all and have myself a nice little afternoon doing that because it's so fun. Oh, and this paper takes the paint beautifully. And then I'll fussy cut them all out and they'll be ready to go for embellishments. Then you guys, look at this. We have a Simple Stories 6x8 stencil. And you guys know, one of the things that's so nice about getting stencils in our kits is you can have them forevermore. It's not a consumable. So you can use this like over and over and over again, which I think is so nice. It's such a gift to have. And then finally, I'm going to get a little tray out. We have our embellishment pack. So they come in this nice little package, which I may or may not be using I'm already thinking about using it for my palette. And I have actually also used the inside of one before for matting a photo when I didn't have white paper. So, you know, you do you. You can use the whole backside. Look at, oh, not on that one, but you can on this one. Never mind. Use packaging where you can. Oh, Mason's mad across the street. Somebody pulled up. Okay, let's see what we have. We have a conversation heart that reads hugs, a gorgeous floral. Oh, XOXO. That sounds like Gossip Girl. A little key, another conversation heart. I'm separating them because literally right when I'm done filming this, I'm going to start creating. Well, actually, I'm going to start painting. But anyway, I want them in order. A gorgeous stripey heart. Hugs and kisses, cute. Spread love. Valentine's Day, February, love. We've got a flower. Oh, a cute little butterfly. Love is in the air. How cute. So cute. I love you. That's adorable. We have got a little lock with a heart. Be mine. Be my Valentine. Cupcakes. Be mine. Like, look at the little heart part of the hot air balloon. A bunch of roses. Hugs. Oh, a nice journaling spot. More florals. Florals. A cute little heart. Chocolate covered strawberry yum. Love. Love again. Be mine. A floral. A rosy floral. You are a cutie. Love. It's like a big box of chocolates. Now I hear Forrest Gump. Some florals. Conversation hearts. What's this read? Cutie cam. Conversation hearts. Donuts. Florals. Love mail. And a rainbow. So guys, I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits. Put my name in the comment section so you can score a freebie. I will also have a link to the Facebook group so you can show us what you create with these kits. I can't wait to see what you create. Is there anything else? No, I'm going to get to painting my coloring sheet and I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye friends.